Sort of Tanashahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country and target states the way you are doing.
No right to use such words.
If it does not drop this attitude, the BJP will become tadipar from the
क्या इस्तेमाल करता है? वो कोई तरीका है? इतना गिरा हुआ भाषण दिया.
The discussion on the Home Ministry cannot be complete without making a reference to Manipur, sir. A debate on Manipur has happened in this house. Sir, my only thing is Manipur needed a healing touch. With whatever has happened in Manipur under the watch of the Honorable Home Minister, I really don't know, sir, how he manages to sleep peacefully in the night. Sir, in summation, I just want to say something very clear. No, this is purely very, very parliamentary, sir. I could have said something else, but I'm not. Sir, very simply speaking, sir, the Union Home Ministry is meant to be Union Ministry of Home Affairs. It doesn't mean a ministry आप घर से चलाओ. Home doesn't mean ghar. There is a term in Hindi, sir, called Tanashahi. Tana, dictatorial, acerbic, Shah, emperor. What I would like to say, sir, is that this sort of Tanashahi, just because your name is Shah, doesn't mean you are able to do that on the rest of the country and target states the way you are doing. And in my
whether it is Shah or let's say Maratha or Jat or Rajput, anyone, you should not have, you said so.
Parting conclusion, I don't need any extra time, sir. I just have one parting note to say. My conclusion, sir, if I'll be allowed to. My conclusion, sir, is...
One second. Saket, one second. Saket, one second. I'll give, one second. Your observation is against a caste, against a subcaste, should not have been made. Leader of the House.
Sir, again I say that the words used is unparliamentary. It names to a caste also.
Yes.
And it is something which is derogatory also, and it should be withdrawn. Better he withdraws, otherwise it should be deleted.
You see, one second, please. I'm sure the entire House will not approve it. Using a caste, whether it is Shah or let's say Maratha or Jat or Rajput, anyone, you should not have, you said so. You said so, and you said so by buttressing it. You wanted a traction of it, Saket. I know you are a journalist, but venomous traction that divides the society is something we must avoid. And you therefore, please rise and withdraw it. Well, the member does not withdraw, I delete it, and it will emanate consequences.
Sir,
for both the observations, the matter will be under my consideration.
I have 3 sentences.
Because we cannot allow the House to be free fall of information.
I have 3 sentences.
Because no one can take action outside.
I have 3 sentences.
If you say anything, 1.4 billion people cannot go to court because you are making a statement here. And therefore this House is the repository of sanctity of a statement made. Both observations were personal nature. You targeted an individual who is holding a good constitution, should have been avoided. Otherwise, a very good address, but you have polluted it. I reserve my ruling on that. This is not acceptable. Parliament Affairs Minister.
This is the Honourable Member, Mr. Gokhale, is the initiator of this very important discussion.
Very important.
We expect the person, the Honourable Member who initiates the discussion, to be very broad-minded as well as he should set the tone. But the way he has started the discussion, the words he has used from the very beginning, he started in a very negative note. We all are here to listen to the suggestion also, as well as we can accept the criticism. During his 12-minute address, he has not given even a single suggestion we would welcome the suggestion of honorable members. We are discussing on the working of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Not a single suggestion on how to improve the working. He has been attacking left and right from the beginning. I don't understand. क्या इस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने आप को क्या स्थापित करना चाहता है बताइए? कोई तरीका है? आज तक मैंने ऐसा इनिशिएट करने वाला मेंबर देखा ही नहीं है। तो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करो राज्यसभा का। राज्यसभा में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि कम से कम जो मेंबर बोलते हैं एक स्टैंडर्ड डेकोरम मेंटेन करेगा। और इन्होंने जो बोला है 12 मिनट में, ये कोई शब्द समाज में एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता है और राज्यसभा का गरिमा को गिराया है। क्या इस्तेमाल करता है? वो कोई तरीका है? इतना गिरा हुआ भाषण दिया है।
I would still appeal that let us maintain decorum. And Saket, you know it more than anyone else. Intelligence Bureau is not in the jurisdiction of the Honorable Home Minister. Still you raise it? No. Eh? It is not. It is not. It is not. No. I need not go to the book for a simple reason that all of us know that we at the moment are not on the right track. I appeal to everyone in the House to converse on soothing discourse and make contributions. Saket, you can take 1 more minute, 2 more minutes, and conclude. And conclude on a soothing note.
Multiple people have spoken longer than me, sir.
Soothing note, because Parliamentary Affairs Minister said, one who sets the tone of debate.
Sir, he called my speech gira hua speech, but you won't expunge that.
No. I will look at every word, but 2 I have deleted already.
We also have objections.
I also object to that, sir. Anyway, sir,
Saket,
I want 2 sentences to conclude.
Saket, take your seat. Yes, Derek.
Now we are talking about getting personal. On record today, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister of India called my colleague not broad-minded. I take strong objection to anybody from here, calling anybody from here. This is not a commentary. Sir, you can. 1 minute, sir. Let me finish. Let me finish.
You said so.
Sir, please understand. 1 MP spoke, 3 ministers got up. You are in charge, sir. Give him 1 minute to conclude his speech and let's move on. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. One second.
गिरा हुआ नहीं, ब्रॉड माइंडेड का मैंने मतलब स्पीच को बोला है. दिस स्पीच इज नॉट वेरी ब्रॉड माइंडेड. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. डोंट ट्राई टू मिस इंटरप्रेट अननेसेसरीली.
Two sentences to finish off, sir.
One word is enough to dislocate us. Be careful about it. One word can upset the entire country.
Anyway, sir.
You are going for 2 sentences. Be careful about it.
2 sentences, sir. 2 sentences. This is my conclusion, sir. You mentioned caste. Home Minister insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the House.
Again.
You're talking about caste?
Nothing, Mohammed.
Talking about caste?
He did not.
Anyway,
He did not.
I want to conclude, sir,
He did not.
by saying only one thing. I want to conclude by saying only one thing, sir. West Bengal elections are coming next year in 2021. The Union Home Ministry, if it does not drop this attitude, the BJP will become Tadipar from the state of West Bengal. Thank you, sir.
I have a strong objection as the President of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tadipar is a legal language which is used. In a democratic nation, he has got no right to use such words against my party, and that should be also withdrawn.